Direct replacement. This hood latch assembly matches the fit and function of the original equipment latch. Durable construction. Avoids corrosion. Housing enhances this latch's durability and keeps away from functional deterioration. Easy installation. Requires no special tools to replace. Quality tested. This part has undergone vehicle fitment and material testing to ensure proper fit and reliable service. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the Amazon garage. Hood no longer opening or closing properly? This replacement hood latch assembly matches the fit and function of the original equipment hood latch and is made of corrosion-resistant materials for reliable service. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. OEM quality. Bought one online prior to purchasing this one. Didn't last long. But this one looks original and seems durable this far.